sa roof! Oh!
That's scary.
Ha! Dito siya, tiger! Ala!
Sumakay na.
Tiger, umalis na!
Makakatakot ko yung tinanong ko. I think he's eating the cat.
Hello. It's just... Yeah, me too.
It's snack time.
Snack time! Snack time!
That's big.
Oh my gosh!
It has big jaws. I want to see. Whoa, he's teeth. Whoa. It's licking.
He's eating!
It's scary that I see his teeth in the first time.
Yeah.
He'll get cavities after that because look at his teeth. It's dirty.
Bro's got a toothbrush.
Doesn't have a toothbrush, okay?
That is a toothbrush, please. Hey, I got some more meat. I want to feed the tiger.
Because if he bites you, then
He has a puppy at me. Super sharp.
Ah!
parang ano.
Kaya ibubuhos mo po dyan. Kuya, ibato mo po doon sa roof. Papunta po sa doon.
Bato ko na lang.
Punta ko din lang si Thomas.
Port na lang.
Oh my God, kasi kakainin tayo nun.
Thomas, babatuhin ko doon sa roof para kainin ka.
Does he paint his
Ano? Ano?
Diyan siya nag-fit sa starch niya.
Ay, isot mo kaya yan? Para may multi-break ka.
Ilang manok po kakainin nila sa isang araw? Ah, 15 kilos, grabe.
Kailan ba maglawa yan? Tiger na yan.
Busog na siya.
Marcelo!
Kanina mga layong tiger naman po yung mga tiger at lalakad na. Pagbusog na.